Looking for a powerful, free vector graphics editor? The Inkscape editor for draws and graphics is the perfect solution. Available as a Chrome extension, this tool lets you create and edit SVG files directly from your web browser, no software installation needed. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for Inkscape Editor, then click Add to Chrome. Confirm the installation, and once it's added, find the extension icon in your toolbar. Click it to launch Inkscape and start designing right away. With Inkscape, you can create professional vector graphics, edit paths, add text, and work with layers, all from your browser. The pen tool lets you draw custom shapes, while the text tool allows you to add and modify text with different fonts and colors. The gradient tool gives your designs smooth color transitions, making them look professional and polished. Need to save your work? Simply click File and choose Save As to export your project in multiple formats, including PNG, PDF, and SVG. You can also store your files in the cloud for easy access across devices. For advanced users, Inkscape offers powerful features like node editing, Boolean operations for combining shapes, and filters for adding shadows and effects. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this Chrome extension provides everything you need for high-quality graphic design. Best of all, Inkscape is completely free, works on any device with Chrome, and requires no downloads or subscriptions. Ready to start designing? Install the Inkscape Chrome extension today and bring your creative ideas to life. Explore more tools and products on Go Search. Find the link in the description.